Welcome students in my YouTube channel Chemistry Dangal. Today's topics are atoms and molecules. Very important topics for each and every student, maybe of junior classes or higher classes. These are fundamental terms and necessarily understand by the students, because the student cannot differentiate between atoms and molecules. Atoms and molecules. Dalton assumed that the atom was the smallest particle of an element. So, according to atom was the smallest particle. Smallest particle of an element. It was the unit of chemical reaction. Amedeo Avogadro agreed with Dalton, but he does not agree with the independent existence of an atom. According to Amedeo Avogadro, atom was the unit chemical reaction, but it was unable to exist independently. Later on, it has been found that some of the gases like helium, argon, and neon could exist independently. So, an atom can be defined as atom is the smallest particle of an element and it is the unit of chemical reaction. It is the unit of chemical reaction it may or may not be exist independently. The common elements like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, the atoms of these elements could exist independently. They exist with other atoms, maybe of same or different elements. But the atoms like helium, argon, neon, they have independent existence, except the case when an element possesses one or more isotopes all the atoms of an element are identical. Only isotopes have some differences in the atoms. Main difference is of the mass. In the ancient discovery, it is also found that an atom cannot be further divided. Means atom is indivisible as according to Dalton. But nowadays atom has been subdivided in subatomic particles like electron, proton, neutron. Atoms may be bigger or smaller. It is depend on the size of atom and its atomic mass and some other properties. Examples of some atoms are, for example, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. does not exist independently. Helium, neon, argon, etc. The atoms of these elements exist independently. Now next term is molecule. It is the smallest particle of the substance may be element or compound which can exist independently. A molecule is formed by the combination of at least two atoms of same or different type. A molecule is a combination of at least two or more atoms of same or different elements the atoms in a molecule bonded by chemical bonds. Molecules are of two types. कैसे बता सकते हैं कि ये टू टाइप्स के होते हैं? सो दीज आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट इज होमो एटॉमिक molecules. Homoatomic molecules are those molecules in which the atoms of same element are present in a molecule. Means molecule have atoms of same elements? For example, H2 molecule, it is a combination of two H atoms by a single bond. O2 molecule, it is a combination of two oxygen atom by a double bond. And 2 molecule, it is a combination of two N atoms bonded by a triple bond. So these are homoatomic molecules. O3, this one is ozone. 3 oxygen atoms are present bonded in this manner, O double bond O, like this. P4 molecule, this is phosphorus molecule. S8 molecule, heteroatomic molecules. The molecules contain two or more type of atoms of different elements. These are generally known as compounds. For example, H2O, that is HOH. The two hydrogen atom bonded with one oxygen atom. CH4, this is methane, in which one carbon atom is bonded with 4 other carbon atoms. H2SO4 sulfuric acid, it is bonded with HOSOHO in this manner, or sometimes it is given as HOS coordinate bond with 2 oxygen atoms and single bond with 2 oxygen atoms and single bond with 2 hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms. Carbon dioxide, CO2 molecule, C double bond O. Molecules may be diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic, or polyatomic. For example, diatomic. contain two atoms. एग्जाम्पल क्या हो जाएंगे इसके? एग्जाम्पल H2, O2, HCl etc. Triatomic contain three atoms. For example, H2O, CO2, CS2 etc. Tetraatomic molecules contain four atoms. For example, NH3, PH3, FeCl3. Polyatomic contain more than two atoms. So these triatomic, tetraatomic are also included in the category of polyatomic molecules, and other examples are H2SO4, S8, KClO3 etc. So these are the types of molecules: diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic, polyatomic etc. So students, what is your opinion about the lecture? If you think that lecture is useful and interested, then you like the lecture, share it, and if you not subscribe the channel till now, subscribe it. Press the button of bell icon to get the notifications of latest video. Thank you and have a good day, students.